Me no tell you no the place I got turn up back again. Elephant man with the energy again. Dancers again, mad them no dance from when. How them fit say you 2 o'clock dance for your end. Only them a party and money a spend. No segregation every day.
Well, go on everybody. I'm Jeremy and I'll be hosting Pree Dis this week. We're here in the lovely Stony Hill in Kingston, Jamaica, alright? And without further delay, let's go into this jam-packed show, alright? Relax, Pree Dis. So recently there was the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival in South Florida. And let me tell you, food, entertainment, vibes sound perfect to me. Here are the highlights.
The 18th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival South Florida edition took place on Sunday, November 10 at the Miramar Regional Park in South Florida. From as early as 12 noon, patrons began streaming into the venue to get their Sunday afternoon fill of jerk dishes, family vibes, and great entertainment. Various food offerings were available from the vendors who enjoyed brisk sales.
Fun on the track.
The Western Union Cultural Stage was abuzz with electrifying performances from up-and-coming acts as well as established acts who presented diverse cultural treats including traditional dance and poetry. A fashion show which displayed designs from Ghana and the Jamaican bandana was well received. The Miss Lou Drop Some Lyrics poetry competition was a hit, and from a field of 8 competitors, 2 persons tied for first place.
Say you can't come visit, you just want to steer
amazing. For me, the poem that I did, I wrote 30 years ago, and it's about me. I wanted a way to capture my childhood memories because I left Jamaica when I was 8 years old. And I kind of, as Miss Lou said, we turned on the twang thing, right? So for me to win this contest, it's just the best thing for me.
Hey, I feel real good, you know, because personally I like to write original sound, you know, word, sound, power. And I believe in strong people and strong messages, especially for Miss Lou. I always have to pay to go to pantomime to see her, you know, so I'm happy to be representing her in this time as a strong woman.
Mayor of Miramar, Wayne Messam, whose parents are Jamaican, beat Third World member Stephen Catcore in the Public Celebrity Quickfire Cook-Off Challenge.
When it's a time done, those 4 ingredients need to be... No, we're going to start yet, Cal. We're going to start yet. We're going to start yet. Unfair advantage. No. This year we are proud and pleased to present our 2019 Public Celebrity Quickfire Champion, True. Drum roll. Drum roll. Drum. Look out there, drum. Thank you. Thank you. And the winner is your honorable mayor, Wayne Messam. Mr. Mayor. Obviously, Mr. Catcore is going to file ingredients. The judges have left the building and they know nothing.
It feels good because I know the competition was top notch, and we put a lot of heat on the competition, but it was a lot of fun, you know. We didn't know what we were going to cook, you know, and we both were surprised with the green planting, right? So and didn't know exactly what to do, but it was a good event. We really have fun to have this event here in the city of Miramar.
Truthfully speaking, I really wasn't that confident with a half hour, but I'm very happy I did so well. You know what I mean? So all kudos go to the mayor. But as I told him, if he give me 15 more, I'm murdering.
Renaissance Disco with Delano and the Jazzy T at the controls provided a musical escape for patrons who danced to hip-hop, dancehall from the 90s and soca music. Singer Ed Robinson kicked off the performances on the main stage. Bugle, South Florida-based DJ Honor Rebel, Third World, and Christopher Martin also put in great performances.
Listen, I love you, darling, and that's
Entertainers gave their thoughts about the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival.
Well, you know how it goes. I normally don't sing no other songs. Yeah, man, but the vibe was good. Vibe was good. Pleasantly surprised. I love it. Definitely would do it again.
Great. It's always good to do family show, because I'm one of them artists that were the type of music we do fit every occasion. So it's always good to do them kind of show you where every age group there. And, you know, it shows you do something where society actually acknowledge and appreciate. So, you know, it's always a great feeling.
Talk about good, wholesome family kind of vibe, commercial kind of vibe. We talk about Chris Martin. I mean, we're adaptable, and the songs that we sing are fit for a setting like this. So it's a pleasure for me, man. You know what I mean? I just want the time to showcase what I have to offer, because my band is here, my friends are here, the people that love me and show me so much love, they are here to support me. So we just want to show off on stage, man, and show them all the growth and make them embrace and enjoy themselves.
And here's what patrons had to say.
And I support my island situation, and she's from Florida here. And it's important we have this good event. And thank you all Jamaican people for having this event in Florida.
I heard that it's really excited, so I'm coming out to give it a try. As a real Jamaican, anything about Jamaican always amazing.
What do you like about the event?
All of the food and the music and the people.
What brought you to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival?
I just wanted to eat, to be honest.
Well, you could have had your Sunday dinner at home.
No, but this is different, it's better.
You know, after all that jerk, we need a break, right? You get me. But when we come back, we have a new artist and a new video to drop. So, we're soon forward.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit